Imagine needing to send money across borders, perhaps to family in the Philippines from Canada. It sounds complicated, but with services like Remitly, it's become incredibly straightforward. The first step is simple: visit the Remitly website or download their mobile app. If you're new, create an account. It's a quick process involving basic personal information, then pinpoint send money. Now, let's get specific. Select the Philippines as your destination country, then enter the amount you wish to send in Canadian dollars. Remitly will instantly show you the exchange rate and the equivalent amount your recipient will get in Philippine pesos. Crucially, enter your recipient's information accurately, including their complete name as it appears on their official ID. You'll need their bank details, the bank's name, account number, and their bank's unique code. Double-check these details. Accuracy is vital. Next, select your payment method. Options generally include debit cards, credit cards, and bank transfers. Note that fees might vary based on your choice. Remitly will always clearly show you any fees associated with your selected payment method. Before confirming, carefully review all the transaction details. This includes the amount being sent, the exchange rate, the fees, and the total amount your recipient will receive. Satisfying. Click the Confirm and Send button. You're done. Remitly manages the transfer, and you'll receive updates via email or app notifications. Your recipient in the Philippines will receive the money within the specified time. Always store your transaction information safely.